Hi everyone, and welcome to another Featured Features video where we bring on product experts to highlight features in our IT solutions that will have real impact on the way you work. I'm Jen Six from GoTo, Senior Product Marketing Manager for LogMeIn Resolve, and I have with me Vibka, a Staff Product Manager for Resolve. And we will be highlighting something very exciting today, our AI-powered session notes, which is really awesome because it will save you time by eliminating tedious routine tasks and even help drive faster ticket resolutions by making it possible to leverage those resolutions from the past. So, Vivka, I will turn it over to you.
Thanks a lot, Jen. So let me demonstrate how you can make use of our AI-generated session notes. So as you know, if you're in GoToResolve in the console, you can start a support session either right from a device, or you can also start a support session using under the support menu by creating an instant remote support session, inviting your end users. So let's assume you have started a support session. Also make sure the session is recorded if you want to benefit from the AI-generated session notes. And now after the session, you will see this post-session screen. And this is where you can select the button that is called Review Notes and Close. So if you select this one, you'll be navigated to the session details page. And this is where you can find all information related to the past support session, including the recording, including information about the agent who ran the session, some information about the tenant, etc. What's new here is that there is an AI-generated session title based on the session notes that can be also edited if you feel like you want to change this a bit. And now on the right-hand side, there are the AI-generated session notes. So based on the recording, the AI gathered, analyzed, and interpreted all the available session data and now provides a summary as well as some detailed notes. So you can, if you're the agent and you're still like in the flow after the support session, you could, for instance, decide just to copy the session summary because it's like a very high level summary of what happened. You just copy this and put it to your ticket, and then you're done with the flow and you have documented the outcome of the session summary of the session. Now, if you feel like this is really useful content that could be also used in the future to address some similar issues, there's a button that helps you generate a knowledge base article right from these session notes. So if you click on Generate Article, you can see that automatically there will be a knowledge base article created. So this one is about how to clear browsing data in Google Chrome. You can save this article to your knowledge base content. And I want to quickly highlight that there's also a cool new feature in here that is our AI feature that is called Virtual Technician. So based on the session notes, there is a virtual technician plan now being created as part of the knowledge base. And this means next time you want to clear browsing data in Google Chrome, you can just pick up this knowledge base article and start to execute this plan on devices. So this is really a lot faster than for the next time. But let's have a look at this session notes again. So we talked about right after the session, you can use the summary in order to document what happened in the session. But if you are an agent whose responsibility it is to analyze sessions in order to identify support patterns or to see if there's any outdated documentation or if there are any training needs across your agents, you can access the session notes at any time under reporting. So if you are in reporting, let's just go back to show how you can find this. If you're on reporting, just select session reports, and now you can find the list of all your sessions. You can use filters in order to set the time. You can also filter if it's an unattended session or attended. So let's say I'm looking for an unattended session across all tenants, and I'm grouping this by agent because I know it was a specific agent who was running a session. And now I can easily see that, okay, this is the session I was looking for. It was about clear Google Chrome browsing data. You can see that there are some AI generated notes available. You can see these in the preview, or if you want to have a look at the detailed notes again, you can just open it up here and then, just review the session and what happened and see if you can draw some conclusions from these.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Vibka. That is so cool. And I think we can all agree that saving time in any part of our IT workflow is powerful, especially when it's eliminating tedious but necessary tasks. So we cannot wait for everyone to try this out, and we hope to see you in our next Featured Features video. We'll see you there.